Oh, this an ambulance. Oh shit. Supervisor. But like 16 police cars done rolled by. Somebody done got smoked or something. Somebody done tried to do some big shit. It's like 15 police cars rolled by, and then that was the last little shit, little truck. It's crazy. Over here on Crenshaw. And here goes some more. Whatever happened, it was big, nigga. Did somebody try to shoot at Obama or something? Is that nigga out here? Here goes some more. Yeah, the helicopters. Something's popping. Something happened. Some niggas got smoked. Man, look at that shit. That wasn't no damn police car. Some more. This is like the 20th police car that done rolled by. Look, it's like the 22nd police car that rolled by. What the fuck? Look. Oh, hell no. National Guard. The National Guard just rolled by.